Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the sailfish in Abyss Roblox. So the sailfish is one of the fish inside the spirit roots, and it is a legendary speedster. So in here, I'm going to show you exactly where they spawn and the gear you need to land one. This is how the sailfish look like. And here, let's just start by going out from the spirit hollow. So to catch a sailfish, you need to have at least a wasted gun or mag root gun like I do in here, and usually they spawn here inside the cave on the right side of the spirit hollow. You can just go inside in here. Usually there is a sailfish in here in the spirit root caves, but if you don't spot any, you can just go straight from here until you go out from the cave, and you can try to explore up here. So it is a predator, so you need to be quick and be careful because it might attack you. Let's see if we find in here. And to make it easier for you, you can also use your radar to see if there's any sailfish near you. So that's some tips for me in catching sailfish in the spirit roots in Abyss Roblox. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.